Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make Pinoy hot sauce. Start with the core ingredients for an authentic Pinoy hot sauce. You'll need fresh chili peppers, like siling labuyo, along with a good quality vinegar, fresh garlic, and a pinch of salt. The quality of your ingredients directly impacts the final taste, so select the freshest produce available. This combination forms the foundation of a truly delicious and fiery condiment. Once your ingredients are ready, it's time for preparation. Wash your chosen chili peppers carefully and remove their stems. Next, peel and roughly chop about 4 cloves of garlic. Now, combine the prepared peppers, garlic, 1 cup of vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of salt into a blender. Blend until you achieve a smooth, consistent paste. After blending, pour your hot sauce mixture into a clean saucepan. Place it over medium heat and bring it to a gentle simmer. This cooking step is crucial for developing the flavors and ensuring a longer shelf life. Stir the sauce occasionally to prevent sticking. Continue simmering for approximately 10 to 15 minutes until it slightly thickens. Once your hot sauce has simmered and thickened, remove it from the heat and let it cool down completely. This is an important step before bottling. Carefully pour the cooled hot sauce into sterilized glass bottles or jars. Properly stored in the refrigerator, your homemade Pinoy hot sauce will stay fresh and flavorful for several weeks, ready to spice up any meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.